Hi guys, this is Mom's Go-Tos again, and today we'll be showing you how to make pretty bows. For this, we'll need ribbons, ruler, scissors, and hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, that's fine, we don't really need it. I have here 4 different measurements. The very top one is 14 inches, the second is 18 inches, then 16 inches, and then 6 inches. The very top one will be for the tail. So this part here will be for the tail. We're just going to fold it in half and then cut out a triangular shape at the bottom. Next here is to create circles with the bows that we cut. So this is the time when we need the hot glue gun. Now that we have the tail and these circles of different sizes, we're now going to assemble to make the bow. So we're going to assemble them like this. So the tail will be at the very bottom, followed by the biggest circle to the smallest. After we put them together, we're going to tie them up with pipe cleaner or any wires that we have, and just make sure to leave out the outer portion of the smallest circle, just like this. After we tie them up, we can work it out, and here we go. Here's our pretty bow. So you can use these bows for anything, and for me, the reason why I made these bows is that when I went to the store to buy some bows for my Christmas tree, I couldn't find the colors that I would like to use, and so that's why I created my own, and here we go. Here's the outcome. The nice thing about creating your own bow is that you can use any color of your choice, and also you can create any size that you want depending on how your Christmas tree is, or depending on where you're using them. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button, that way you'll be updated when we post new videos, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up.